bonus mo. Kasi interview mo yung next salary mo, a lot of them tend to, quit their jobs, right away pag na, So magandang way yan to keep it in the company.
Totoo yan. Alam mo sa totoo lang, kasi diba, culture is very important wherever you're working. So that was one of the things. So I'm sharing this as a Sun Life employee just to show you that this is really the culture, not just for the clients, for the brand ambassadors, or something that's front-facing, but even within the company, this is the kind of culture that we try to keep even internally. Ayan.
Sorry, mag-add ako.
Go ahead.
Nakaisip ako dahil sabi ni Papa P, diba? It's also good to surround yourself with friends and family members who would actually also encourage you to do the same. So okay naman din yung shopping, eating out paminsan-minsan. Pero not to the point naman na wala nang natitira for savings and investing. So it's really good also to have good influence within your circle.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.